Welcome back to Pakinnaka Thai Cooking School. My name is George.
My name is Sarah.
Today, what we are going to do today, Chef Sarah?
Today we're going to make Thai spring roll.
That sounds interesting. So don't waste the time. Let's get started our cooking. Sarah, I have a question.
What is your question?
I would like to know what ingredients we use for the Thai spring roll.
Yeah, it's so easy and simple. Even cat can cook it.
If cat can cook it, I can do it too.
First we have cabbage, Thai celery, garlic, and mouse ear mushroom or Mickey Mouse mushroom. Turnip.
Oh, turnip. Is the flowers?
No, that's tulip. This is turnip.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, turnip is similar to radish but sweeter. And next we have glass noodles. For seasoning we have light soy sauce, oyster sauce, salt and sugar. And also we have carrots.
Heat a little oil in a pan. Once hot, saute the garlic until fragrant. If you like meat or seafood, you can chop some up and also mix the filling and stir fry until cooked.
Yes.
Remove from heat and let the filling cool completely before wrapping. Place a spring roll sheet on a flat surface in a diamond shape. Ensure the rough side is facing you and the smooth side is facing down. Use your fingers to tuck the filling in tightly. Turn on the top edge to seal the roll tightly. Tie the spring rolls with thin strip of banana leaf.
ริงๆโฟโต้รู้มุมว่าต้องการอะไรที่เอาลงเลยค่ะ